Hi Nishri. So I came across this question and thought it was a great question. I'm quite surprised that no one's answered it yet. So I wanted to have a crack at it. But also while I was doing this, I thought it might be better if I just kind of go through some of the points and show some diagrams. It might help a little bit. Definitely helped me. So essentially, we've got a requirement where your custom table acts as a form, and the record has to be approved. The license record to create and update records in the table is high, so yeah, licensing on custom tables can be annoying to maintain. And that there is a solution for it, but I think you're kind of onto it, which is to create a service catalog, a form that users can fill, and once the catalog request is approved, the custom table record can be updated. So there is a few things on that, so let me go into a little bit more. So, just basic requirement, just rewrote it a little bit just to make it a little bit more of a user requirement story. So, as a process X manager, I would like end users to be able to propose creation of a new record or update an existing given is approved by the process team, so that we can have an update and accurate data or updated data in table X. Nail on the head. The best solution would be to create a service catalog form that users can fill out, and once the request is approved and the custom table record is updated, either automatically right away via Flow, or a manual task is generated by an admin, so for an admin and service desk user to do manually. Now, you potentially might want to have a manual task for users with those licenses or those roles to just validate before they're entering it in. Um, or updating it, just in case. But if it's being approved, then you might not need that anyway. So it does depend on the requirement on that one, but it can go either way. Obviously, with doing it automatically, doing the script, there is no license in updating and creating that, so you can kind of do that right away. Um, so, Additionally, I would recommend the following. So, with create an update, so as you can see in the diagram here, we've got a catalog item, we've got create an update. So, create, if I have like a radio button here and just say create, I can then add in everything I need to create. But if I pick update, then I can have a drop down reference to the custom table. Now, you can allow users potentially to read the table as long as potentially one field, and that should not have a license impact. But always check with your ServiceNow account manager just to ensure. But from my experience, doing that and allowing them to just have access to read one field via an ACL should be okay, and that way you can update or have relevant information pulled in so they can update the record. Um, this is all me assuming with no context. So if the above doesn't apply to the requirement, please use what makes sense, but please reply and let me know if there's anything else that I might have missed or any questions, and I'm happy to follow up on. But I hope that kind of makes sense and gives you a bit of the confidence that you needed, because I think you got the nail on the head. But just those few points around the create and update, and the manual and automatic task depending. All right. Thank you all.